In a world of digital payments, online payment platforms serve as a crucial bridge connecting you with your payment processor. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're an admin or a consultant looking to implement charging using Rectangle Health Gateway, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll teach you how to integrate Rectangle Health Gateway with Salesforce. We'll cover the installation and configuration of Chargent in a Sandbox org, where all of Chargent features are activated and available for testing. All right, let's get started. Step 1, install Chargent. First things first, install Chargent using our Package Installation Manager, aka PIM. We'll leave the link of the PIM in the description below. The installation will take a few minutes to complete, installing 3 packages in your org: Chargent Base, Chargent Transactions, and Chargent Anywhere. We recommend refraining from navigating away from the PIM during installation. Some browsers include a memory mode that may interrupt your installation. Step 2, set up your Rectangle Health account. After installing Chargent, you'll need to make sure you set up your Rectangle Health account and have the credentials necessary to integrate with Salesforce. These credentials provided by Rectangle Health include your username, password, merchant code, and merchant account code. If you don't already have Rectangle Health account, contact us. We'll get you in touch with the right people to get you up and running quickly. And before we move on, keep in mind your success is our priority. If you have any questions about connecting with Rectangle Health, just reach out to our support team by clicking the link below. Your journey with Chargent starts now, and we're excited to be part of it. Step 3, assigning Chargent permissions. With your credentials in hand, it's time to start configuring Chargent. The first step is to ensure your users have correct permissions. So after logging into your Salesforce org, click the app launcher on the upper left-hand corner of the screen and choose Chargent app. Click the Chargent Settings tab and select the drop-down arrow next to the global settings. From here, click the Manage User Permissions subtab. Chargent permissions are grouped by user role, making sure to add any users who will be configuring Chargent to the Chargent Admin User Assigned User column. Similarly, add any community users, guest users, or standard users as needed. As a note, if you're testing Chargent in a production or developer org, you'll also need to assign Chargent licenses. Licenses are not required in a Sandbox org. If you want to learn more, see our extended gateway guide linked below. Step 4, creating your gateway integration. Now that your permissions are assigned, you can create your gateway integration in Salesforce. From the Chargent Settings tab, click the Setup Wizard subtab. Since we've chosen our gateway, we'll select Yes. Choose Rectangle Health from the drop-down and click Continue. Add the username, password, merchant code, and merchant account code provided by Rectangle Health. If testing in production or developer org, make sure to select the Test Transaction tab. This tab isn't present in a Sandbox, and all transactions are sent to your gateway's test endpoint. Go ahead and click Sign In. You'll then see a green confirmation box. Click Continue and answer the remaining questions, such as whether you'll use tokenization or take ACH bank account payments to complete Setup Wizard. If you have questions, refer to our Gateway Setup Wizard documentation linked below. And that's it. You configure your Rectangle Health integration in Salesforce. Step 5, testing. Finally, testing is crucial, especially when handling payment processing in Salesforce. At minimum, create a few test charges to ensure everything is working properly. But we recommend testing various gateway responses and payment method types before going live with Chargent. For more guidance, see our testing Chargent documentation linked below. You're all set. You just integrated Rectangle Health with Salesforce in record time. Your boss is going to think you're a rock star. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated at helping aspiring Salesforce payment geeks like you become a superstar for your organization. Don't forget to contact us if you need help with the link in the description. And now, watch the next video for additional tips. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.